Hi students, today we can study exercise 12.2 question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter sustains a right angle 10 centimeter and right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding Roman number 1 minor segment, Roman number 2 major sector. First draw one figure and circle. The center of circle we can represent O. Then one chord. Chord means one line. We can give name AP. And then join OA and OB. Let's give it in between 1 and C. First question, we have to find out area of minor segment. This is minor segment. Let's write it right here. Minor segment. Shaded region is minor segment. But then, what are things given? A radius. We can write solution given a radius small letter r equal to 10 centimeter. In this figure also we can write this radius OB, then OA also 10 centimeter. Then next, sustain a right angle. A right angle means how much? 90 degree angle, isn't it? It's in here, 90 degree. Right. Theta equal to 90 degree. These two things already given in question. First we can find out area of minor segment. Roman number 1, area of minor segment equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. This is our formula. Check it. Area of minor segment means area of minor sector. What is in here? Area of minor sector. This one. O, A, C, B. This part. This is minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. This triangle. This right angle triangle. First find out area of minor sector, then subtract this area of triangle. Then you will get area of minor segment, the shaded region. Area of minor sector minus area of triangle, then remaining part is area of minor segment. Written same like that. Then area of minor sector. One formula we have studied. Area of sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle OAB. OAB, this is a right angle triangle, so we can write 1 by 2 BH, base into height. Theta already given in here, that is 90 divided by 360 into pi. Check it in question. Pi value is 3.14. Don't use in here 22 by 7 because already given question pi equal to 3.14. That value only we can use 3.14 into r square. R means 10. 10 square minus 1 by 2 into base into height. If you consider triangle OAB, this part is base. OA, this OB is height. Longer side, that is hypotenuse. AB is longest side, that is hypotenuse. That means base is 10, height also 10 into 10. Cut it 0 and 0. 9 and 36. In 36, 4 times. 4 into 9, 36. Then 2 and 10, 5 times. 1 by 4 into 3.14. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 10 square. 10 square means 10 into 10 minus, in here remaining 1 into 10, 10, 10 into 5, 50. 10 into 5, that is 50. Cancel. Using by 2. In 10, how many times 2? 5 times. In here, remaining 2. This 2 and 10. Again, in 10, 5 times 2. Then, 3.14 into 5 into 5 minus 15. First do it. 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is 25. 25 into, then 3.14. We have, right? 314. No need to write that decimal. That is point. 4 into 5, 20. Remainder 2. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Then a remainder 1. Then directly we can write no numbers. Then 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 2, 2. Then 3 into 5, 15. Remainder 1. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 0. 0 plus 5, 5. Then 1 plus 2, 3 plus 5, 8. Then 7. 7, 8, 5, 0. Check it in here. After point, 2 numbers is there. That is 1 and 4. 2 numbers is there, isn't it? That means in answer also we need after point 2 numbers. 78.50 minus 50 equal to 78.50 minus 50. 78.50 minus 50. We can write 50 in here. Then 50 point. 8 minus 0 is 8. Then 7 minus 5, 2. You will get 28.50 centimeter square. That is our area of minor segment. Study this part. Area of minor segment equal to area of minor sector minus area of triangle OAB. Then area of minor sector, common formula, theta by 360 into pi r square minus 1 by 2 BH, because this triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. That's why we can write 1 by 2 BH. Then theta is 90, Then 360 into pi value 3.14 only we can give, because already given in question. Into r square. R means radius, that is 10 square minus 1 by 2 into b. Base is, here base, that is 10 into height, the side, that also 10. Then cancel 2 and 5, 2 and 10, you will get 5. Then everything do it, you will get 28.50 centimeter square. That is our answer. Then what is second part? Find area of major sector. That is Roman number 2. Roman number 2. Area of major sector. We can give one name here, D. Just give D. Then what is major sector? This part. OA is like D, then B, upside part, not shaded region. Name again. O A D, then B. Okay, now this is the name of our major sector. Same formula, theta by 360 pi r square equal to, what is theta? We will consider major sector, not minor sector. Minor sector means we can take theta is 90 degree, isn't it? But major sector means this angle. How much? You know, total is 360. Okay. Angle in a circle, total angle will be 360. Then this 90 degree part of minor sector, isn't it? That means this 90 degree we cannot consider, just subtract 90 degree. And then we will get the remaining angle. 360 minus 90 divided by 360 into pi. Pi means 3.14 into r. Radius is 10 square, same. Equal to, then 360 minus 90. 360 minus 90 is 270. Keep in mind, some students, they will cut this 360. Don't cut like that, because in here minus is there. First you have to do this subtraction, then only you can cancel. Don't cut it 360 and 360, don't write minus 90 like that. Okay, first do it 360 minus 90, you will get 270, then divide by 360, 3.14 into 10 square means 10 into 10. 0 and 0 cancel. Using by 9. In 27, 9 3 times. In 36, 9 4 into 9, 36. Then this 4 and 10 cancel. Using by 2. In 4, how many times 2? 2 times. In 10, 5 times. Again 2 and 10, 5. Then we can multiple now 3 into 3.14 into 5 into 5. First 5 into 5. 5 into 5 how much? 25, isn't it? 5 into 5, 25 into 3. 25 into 3. 25 into 3. 3 into 15. Remainder 1. 3 into 2, 6 plus 1, 75. That means 5 into 5, 25 into 3, 75. Then one more number remaining, that is 3.14. Multiple by 3.14 also. Then 4 into 5, 20. Remainder 2. 4 into 7, 28 plus 2, 30. Remainder 3. Okay, 30 we can write, no numbers. Then 1 into 5, 5, 1 into 7, 7. 3 into 5, 15, remainder 1. 3 into 7, 21 plus 1, 22. 0, 5, 7 plus 3, 2 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Remainder 1, 1 plus 2, 3. 2, 3, 5, 5, 0. 5, 5, 0. Then in here, after point 2 numbers is there, that is 1 and 4. Then in answer also, after point we need 2 numbers. We can write 235.50 centimeter square. That is area of major sector. Area of major sector, theta by 360 pi r square. In here only one thing, this part. Theta don't take 90 degree in this question, because this in major sector angle is opposite. That means total 360 is there. From there 90 we cannot consider. That's why 360 minus 90. That is our answer. Now we can see question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc sustains an angle of 60 degree. At the center, find Roman number 1, the length of the arc. Roman number 2, area of the sector formed by the arc. Roman number 3, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Then, first we can write what are things given. Given a radius r equal to 21 centimeter. Then angle also given, theta equal to 60 degree. These two things only given in this question. Then draw one circle. Then center is O. Make it one chord. AB. Radius OA. OB. OA radius is 21 centimeter, and here also 21 centimeter. Then angle is 60 degree. First question, Roman number 1, the length of the arc. The length of the arc equal to, in here one arc you can see, just give C. This ACB is one arc, ACB. Then we have to find out length of ACB, length of that arc. One formula was studied, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula for length of the arc equal to theta. Theta how much? Theta is 60 degree. We can write 60 divided by 360 into 2 into pi. Pi value I think not given in here in this question. Pi value is not given, that's why we can use 22 by 7 into r. R means radius. Radius is 21 centimeter. 21. Then 0 and 0 cancel. 6 and 36. In 36, how many times 6? 6 times. Then 7 and 21. In 21, how many times 7? 3 times. We can write 3. Then again we can cancel this 3 and 6. In 6, how many times 3? 2 times. Isn't it? 2 into 3, 6. Again 2 and 2 cancel. Then remaining only 22. 22 centimeter. The length of the arc is 22 centimeter. Only one thing you have to study by heart this formula. The length of the arc, that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Then what is arc means? This length ACB up to here. That is arc. Now Roman number 2. Roman number 2 is the area of the sector formed by the arc. The area of sector formed by the arc. Area of sector, which formula? That is theta by 360 pi r square. This is the formula for area of sector. Theta is 60 degree. 60 degree divided by 360 into pi. Pi means 22 by 7 because not given any value. Then r. R is radius 21. 21 square. 0 and 0 cancel, just 6 times. You can write 1 by 6 into 22 by 7 into 21 square. 21 square means 21 into 21. Then 7 and 21 cancel 3 times. Again 3 and 6 cancel. In 6, 3, 2 times. And then 2 and 22, 1, 1. And then the remaining part you can multiple, that is 11 into 21. 21, 11. 1 into 1, 1. Then 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 2. 1, 3, 2. We'll get 231 centimeter square. That is our area of sector. In this question, you have to study one formula, that is theta by 360 pi r square. That is area of sector. Study that formula. All the values given here, then cancel, can simplify. You will get 231 centimeter square. Now we can see Roman number 3. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. Then this part. This is area of segment formed by this corresponding chord. Only this part. Then how can you find out? Area of segment, area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. But in this question, this is which type triangle? This is not right angle triangle because it has 60 degree angle only. That's why we cannot use direct formula, that is 1 by 2 pi BH we cannot use. Then we have to check this triangle OAB, which type triangle, maybe right angle triangle, otherwise equilateral triangle, any triangle, anyway not a right angle triangle because 60 degree angle only. Now we can see the triangle. In triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, this angle OAB and angle OBA equal because this OA and OB radius. That's why we can write OAB equal to angle OBA. OA and OB equal. Check it. OA, that is radius, 21 centimeter. OB, that one also radius, 21 centimeter. These two sides are equal means opposite angles are equal, isn't it? This angle OAB, this angle. Then OBA, this angle. These two angles will be equal. Then let's start all the angles. Angle OAB plus angle OBA plus angle, this angle OAB. What is the name of this angle? OBA. Then how much this? That is 60 degree. Right, 60 equal to, you will get 180 degree. That is the reason sum of the angles in a triangle you will get 180 degree. That means if you want 1, 2, 3 angles, sum will be 180 degree. Then angle OAB plus angle OAB. Look, this OBA we can write angle OAB. What is the reason? Check it upside. OAB and OBA equal, isn't it? That means in this place, angle OBA, in that place we can write this one, angle OAB equal to 180. 60 bring to right side, that will be minus 60. Angle OAB plus angle OAB, we can write 2 angle OAB. 2 times repeating that. 180 minus 60 is 120. OAB equal to 120 divided by this 2 equal to 60 degree. 120 divided by 2, 60. Now check it, angle OAB equal to angle OBA, and then this angle AOB. All values are equal, 60 degree. In here 60, in here also 60, in here also 60. All the angles are equal. Then all the angles are equal means which type triangle? That is equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Triangle OAB, equilateral triangle. Then now we can use formula for equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle. That formula we can use. Area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord equal to area of sector. Sector name we can write OACB. That is the area name of sector minus area of triangle OAB. Equal to area of sector OACB. Area of sector already was found out in Roman number 2. How much is that? Area of sector, that is 231. Area of sector already was found out in Roman number 2. Then minus area of triangle OAB is root 3 by 4 side square. This is formula for area of equilateral triangle. This formula studied by heart, root 3 by 4 side all square. That is formula for area of equilateral triangle. 231 minus root 3 by 4 into side square. One side how much? That is 21. 21 square. 231 minus root 3 by 4 into 21 square. 21 square means 21 into 21, that is 441. You can write 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4 centimeter square. That is our area of segment. In here root 3 value no need to give, because in this question they are not given root 3 value. In some question they will give a root 3 value, that is 1.73. That type you have to give in here. But in this question they are not given, no need to put. This is our answer. Then area of segment is area of sector minus area of triangle. This triangle is equilateral triangle, that's why we will use root 3 by 4 into side square. This formula studied by heart, area of equilateral triangle. Then